This place is famous because it's the only place in the whole world that gathers between synagogue, between the whole religions actually.
Yeah, is there a Buddhist temple?
We have a temple, but not Buddhist. We have a synagogue actually. It's different.
Yeah, that's much different.
Yeah. The reason behind it is because back in the past, religions used to be in peace, living together, all in peace actually. So you can find Muslim with Christian living together, and also you can find Jewish. Nowadays, because of the problem, the Israeli problem and blah blah blah, you know what? It's hard to find someone who's Jewish, and they would be hiding themselves. This one is Saint George Church, okay? This one over there is a fort. They call it the Roman fort, okay?
This one here in front
Yeah,
of us?
this one over there. But this is the remains of it. It's not,
Right.
yeah. So there's a story behind it. It is said that Roman built it. The reason why, because they have it in the history with the name candles in the night surrounding it. So that's the story behind it. They had it. The Roman had it as a fort.
Okay.
Okay. They used to surround it with candles everywhere. So when anyone who's passing by, they would say that it is a Roman fort. Another story says that it is built by ancient Egyptians. The reason why is because its location is among a really holy place. Because Egyptians used to choose their locations very wisely. They choose it to be in a holy place, maybe sacred thing, maybe.
Right.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Loving It on Phuket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you'll know when the next video is posted. In the meantime, check out some of these other great videos from Phuket, Thailand, Southeast Asia, and beyond. Happy traveling!